Okay, this is the old Taichung train station, which originally was built in 1905 and then rebuilt in 1917. And they basically don't use the old railway station anymore. So what they did was turn it into like a cultural space with all kinds of stands of nonsense you don't need, and a cafe in an old train wagon, or two train wagons. Isn't that a good idea? Nice, huh? Should somehow maintain it a little bit, because it deteriorates, like the roof is made from corrugated iron and wood. Another train. An exhibition cafe inside. And those are the two old platforms, and they constructed a completely new train station. And you can see that they still used this fairly recently, because those entry gates are not that old. This used to be the central entrance hall or lobby, and there they sold the tickets. And that's the old train station. Quite nice.